Hello, welcome back to another CM Travels tip episode number 2. These are our travel tips. If you're new to the channel, my name is Murray Forbes. I'm the co-founder of CM Travels, a wildlife travel company. We do epic trips all around the world to see things like snow leopards, tigers, Africa's Big Five, jaguars in Brazil, pumas in Patagonia, emperor penguins in Antarctica, polar bears in the Arctic. Amazing trips. I hope to see you on one soon with us. So if you like the content, hit the thumbs up. Also subscribe. There. Click it. Subscribe, please. Helps us keep bringing you amazing content. Today, let's get into it. Travel tip number 2. So to start, cleaning kits for your gear. Absolutely essential. I have mine in this little bag. Easy. That goes into the camera bag. Inside that bag is this. Number 1, brush. Fantastic. Little bits of dust wherever you're traveling. Doesn't matter if you're literally in the Arctic or if you're in the African savanna plains or in the jungles of Brazil. Stuff gets onto your lens, whether that's raindrop, dust, pollen, whatever it might be. This little savior, and it's also got a little... That's an amazing little bit of equipment. Sorry if that was a bit loud, but this is a little blowing kit. Allows you to blow dust off the gear. Huge help, huge help. Keep the gear. We spend a lot of money on the gear, spend a lot of money on the trip, so let's look after it. Next, this is ice, basically cleaning fluid for high quality optics. Don't spray anything on your lens. Spray the lens cleaning fluid on the micro filter cloth. The little cloth. Clean lens with circular motions starting from the center of the lens and working outwards. Caution, not for contact lenses. Avoid contact with eyes. Yeah, don't spray this on your eyes, you idiots. Anyway, that is our travel tip, and if you stayed this long, I have a bonus. Yes, I do. I have a bonus. And thank you so much for staying this long. If you have liked the content, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Hugely appreciative. But the bonus, because you've stayed so long, is what gear I am using. So I'm currently filming on a Nikon D780. I'm shooting at 4K, 24 frames a second, and I'm using this is a Rode mic without the cover on it. I'm simply holding it close to my mouth. Yes, I found it gives great quality. I also have a studio light, which is really helpful. A couple of filler lights in the back. These are some photographs that I've taken myself, which I've had printed and simply put up. The lens I'm using, 28mm. Would prefer a 24, but 28mm is what I have, and it's a 1.4, and I'm filming wide open, which is why you get that nice blurred background. So that's our tips for today. I hope you enjoyed the content. Check you in the next one.